Welcome to The Explainer. Right now, I want you to picture this. You're sitting in a high-tech dispatch command center. Right in front of you, a sleek laptop screen is just glowing with vibrant logistics load boards, digital maps, and glowing route lines. And outside your window, softly blurred in the background under this dramatic evening terminal lighting, sits a powerful dual rear-wheel pickup attached to a long, empty flatbed gooseneck trailer, ready to roll. Today, we're giving you a tactical mission briefing on the true heartbeat of any successful hotshot trucking operation, dispatching. It's the vital process that connects those digital screens in the office to the heavy-duty iron out on the tarmac. And let's be real about the stakes right up front. Excellent dispatching can absolutely build an empire, but poor, uninformed dispatching, well, that can bankrupt a trucking business in a matter of months. So consider this your playbook for survival and profit.
Okay, let's look at our mission map for today. We've got Phase 1, operational preparation, Phase 2, booking the load, Phase 3, securing the paperwork, and finally, Phase 4, executing the dispatch. We're going to break down these 4 critical phases that seamlessly transform an empty flatbed into a paid invoice.
Moving right into Phase 1, operational preparation. Before you look for freight, think of this as your crucial intelligence gathering stage, before you even think about looking at a single digital map or load board.
So the absolute foundation of your entire operation is your CPM, or cost per mile. This is literally the absolute minimum cost required just to run your truck. Now, a lot of rookies make a fatal error here, right? They only count fuel and maybe their monthly truck payment. But true tactical preparation, it means factoring in the whole shebang. It means accounting for the fact that heavy tires wear down, diesel engines need constant oil changes, and, eventually things break. If you haven't factored maintenance into your minimum rate, a blown transmission out on the highway becomes a catastrophic, business-ending failure. You absolutely have to know your bottom dollar, because every single cent above this meticulously calculated number is your actual profit. If you don't know this number, you are flying completely blind.
And honestly, the danger of flying blind is very real, and the math is totally unforgiving. Imagine operating a truck that costs exactly $1.50 per mile to run. Now imagine you blindly accept a load that only pays $1.40 per mile just to, keep the truck moving. You aren't just breaking even here. Because you didn't know your operational costs, you are literally pulling dimes out of your own pocket and handing them to the freight broker for every single mile you drive. You're taking on the risk of the highway, the wear and tear on your iron, the pure exhaustion of the road, and actually paying them for the privilege of doing the work. No way. So to make sure you're actually profitable, you need to strike incredibly fast when a premium load pops up on the board. Speed is absolutely everything in this game. Freight brokers are basically like frantic stock traders, right? They have zero patience and a dozen other trucks calling them at the exact same moment. If you make a broker wait even 5 minutes while you dig through a dusty filing cabinet for a W-9, that freight is instantly going to someone else. You need a sleek, digital-ready folder right on your smartphone. Your MC authority letter, your W-9, your certificate of insurance, and your notice of assignment. They have to be ready to deploy the second you secure a verbal agreement. Let's define exactly what that certificate of insurance, or COI, requires to keep you legally compliant. To ensure you have the heavy-duty coverage to haul for hire, your policy must show at least $1 million in auto liability and $100,000 in cargo insurance. Now, $1 million might sound massive, but think about the reality out on the tarmac. You are hauling thousands of pounds of heavy machinery or industrial steel at 70 miles per hour down public interstates. The liability risk is monumental. Without this ironclad proof of coverage, a broker won't even look twice at your profile. All right, Phase 2, booking the load, executing the hustle. Let's enter the high-energy, tactical zone of securing the actual freight. This is your execution checklist for the load boards, which, let me tell you, are intensely competitive digital battlegrounds. Step 1. Log into standard boards like Date or TruckStop and rigorously filter by your equipment type and your deadhead, which is exactly how far you're willing to drive your empty truck to the pickup location. Step 2. Call the broker instantly. Seriously, avoid texting or emailing at this stage. A ringing phone cuts through the noise and forces them to deal with you. Step 3. Strictly verify the broker's credit score on your app. Think of this credit check as your digital body armor against scams. If a broker has terrible credit, hang up immediately. You need an absolute guarantee that your hustle will result in a clear check. Once you've got a reputable broker on the line, never book a load blind. Always interrogate them with these 4 crucial questions before you even talk money. You need the exact weight and length. What happens if a steel pipe hangs 3 feet off the back of your trailer? You get pulled over and immediately shut down by the DOT. That's what.
Also confirm tarping requirements and strict delivery windows, but pay special attention to this last one. Is it dock high only or side loadable? This is key insider knowledge, guys. Hotshot trailers sit significantly lower than standard semi-trucks, making standard dock high loading completely impossible in a lot of warehouses. Now, I want you to memorize this exact script. I can do it, but to cover my fuel and tarping, I need to be at, and then name your price. This is your ultimate psychological weapon. When a broker offers a rate that just doesn't meet your minimums, use this to counter intelligently. By anchoring your request directly to very real operational costs, like rising diesel prices and the brutal physical labor of throwing heavy tarps, you instantly transform the conversation. You aren't desperately begging for money. You're a professional stating the necessary margins for a flawless delivery. Stand your ground, and for sure, never be afraid to walk away from a bad deal.
Next up, Phase 3, securing the paperwork. The Ironclad contracts. We're transitioning from the energetic hustle on the phones to the highly serious legal phase of locking down the electronic contracts.
This brings us to the rate confirmation, or rate con. Honestly, this is the single most critical document we're covering in this explainer. Think of it as a handshake made of iron. It states exactly what the load pays, the exact pickup and drop-off addresses, and the specific terms of the haul. Listen carefully to this rule. If a broker promises you extra money for tarps over the phone, but it is not written on this paper, it absolutely does not exist, period. Until you sign and return the rate con, you do not officially have the load.
But before you sign that iron handshake, you gotta perform a critical safety step. Read the fine print. Treat this as your frontline legal defense. You must relentlessly scan for hidden traps. Some aggressive brokers will actually sneak in massive financial penalties, like a $250 fine just for being 15 minutes late to a drop-off appointment. I mean, a trap like that could instantly wipe out the profit margin of a grueling 500-mile trip, literally turning 2 full days of hard driving into pure charity work. Check the fine print twice, verify the numbers, and only then do sign it.
On to Phase 4, executing the dispatch, from tarmac to payment. For this final phase, you're officially transitioning out of the glowing command center, stepping out onto the tarmac, and climbing into the driver's seat to physically execute the mission.
These execution steps are where physical brawn meets your meticulous dispatching brains. Step 1. Arrive at the pickup yard with your load PO or reference number ready. Step 2. Secure that freight incredibly tightly with heavy-duty straps or chains. Ensure nothing moves an inch at highway speeds. And Step 3. Check the physical freight against the bill of lading, or BOL. You have to carefully match the cargo strapped to your trailer directly to your paperwork. Seriously, if the paperwork says 40 pallets, but the shipper only loaded 38 and you drive away without checking, actually, scratch that. It's more like you are legally buying those 2 missing pallets when you arrive at the receiver. Taking 10 minutes to verify the cargo saves thousands of dollars in claims. So, what exactly is the life cycle of that BOL? Understand that when you start the journey, the bill of lading is just a receipt for cargo. It outlines what you're responsible for. But once you safely navigate the route, arrive at the receiver, and they successfully unload the truck, they have to sign and date that piece of paper. The exact moment ink hits that page, it transforms into your golden ticket, your official proof of delivery, or POD.
And finally, here is how you complete the mission and secure your capital. Step 1. Open your factoring company app. Step 2. Upload a clear picture of your signed rate con. Step 3. Upload a picture of that golden ticket, the signed POD. Step 4. Submit it. Back in the day, a trucker had to mail these in and endure a painful 30, 60, or even 90-day wait to get paid by massive shipping corporations. But by seamlessly uploading these documents into a modern digital factoring app, you bypass that excruciating wait and get your hard-earned cash almost immediately. It's a real game changer, and it's the absolute lifeblood of cash flow for a modern hotshot operation.
We've covered the crucial intelligence gathering, the intense hustle of the load boards, the ironclad contracts, and the rigorous physical execution on the tarmac. You know the 4 phases, and you understand the unforgiving math of your costs. But taking a step back, look at that high-tech command center again. The glowing screens analyzing the market, the heavy-duty iron waiting patiently under the terminal lights. You have the blueprint. The only variable left in the equation is you. Do you have the grit, the speed, and the absolute attention to detail to sit at the helm? Mastering the true heartbeat of the hotshot trucking business takes a serious tactical mindset. The mission is clear. The real question is, are you ready to dispatch?